Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the problem on the mergers and acquisition in the nature of purchase. So previously we have seen all the journal entries to be passed in the books of transferor company and transferor company in case of nature of purchase. So similarly we have also calculated the problems on the nature of purchase. We have prepared the amalgamated balance sheet also in the previous session. So in this session, session 47, we are going to discuss one more problem on purchase. Here is the problem. The Mahesh Limited agreed to acquire the business of Suresh Limited on 31st 12 2018. The summarized balance sheet of Suresh Limited on that date was as follows. So only here the given problem, Mahesh is going to agree to acquire the business of Suresh Limited. That means Suresh Limited is a transferor company, Mahesh is a transferring company. That means Mahesh purchases the company of Suresh company. Suresh company doesn't exist in future, Mahesh company exist in future. So hence the given information, the balance sheet of only Suresh company is given. So Suresh company's balance sheet is like this as on 31st 12 2018. The share capital is 12 lakh, reserves and surplus is 5 lakh 60,000, long term borrowings is 2 lakh, and trade payables is 1 lakh 40,000. Total of liabilities is 21 lakh. The assets of the Suresh company limited is tangible assets is 12 lakh 80,000, intangible assets is 2 lakh, and inventory 4 lakh 36,000, trade receivables 72,000, cash and cash equivalents is 1 lakh 12,000. So the total of assets is 21 lakh. So the notes to the accounts for balance sheet is given. Equity shares of 10 each, that is 12 lakhs equity share amount. Then general reserve, that is reserves and surplus and 5 lakh 60 ಒಳಗ general reserve is 2 lakh 60, statement of P&L account, that is profit and loss is 3 lakh. Then tangible assets, a total of 12 lakh 80 ಒಳಗ land and building is 9 lakh value, and plant and machinery is 3 lakh 80,000. Then intangible assets is goodwill is of 2 lakhs rupees of Suresh Company Limited. So the information is also given. The consideration payable by Mahesh Limited agrees as follows. First point is a cash payment equivalent of rupees 5 lakh for every share in Suresh Limited. That means purchase consideration is payable by Mahesh Company to Suresh Company like this. First, they have to give the cash payment equivalent of 5 lakhs for every share in rupees 5 for every share in Suresh Limited. For rupees 5, they have to pay for every share held in the Suresh Company. Then to issue 1,80,000 shares of 10 each fully paid up in Mahesh Limited and having an agreed value of rupees 15 per share. So one share is 15, ಎಷ್ಟು shares issue ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 1,80,000 of 10 rupees fully paid up shares in Mahesh Limited. The next is to issue such amount of fully paid 6% debentures of Mahesh Limited at 96% as sufficient to discharge 8% debentures of Suresh Limited at a premium of 20%. That means 96% of amount of debentures has to be discharged by issuing the or discharging 8% debentures of Suresh Limited at a premium of 20%. While computing agreed consideration, the directions Mahesh Limited valued the land and building of 20 lakhs. So the Mahesh company's land and building is how much? Value is 20 lakh. So plant and machinery is 4 lakh and stock in trade is 3 lakh 84,000, and debtors at their face value subject to the allowance of 5% to cover the doubtful debts. So the cost of liquidation of Suresh came to 10,000. They have asked us to write up the ledger accounts to close the Suresh Company Limited and pass the incorporating entries in the books of Mahesh Company Limited. So let us solve this problem now. So firstly, we are going to calculate the purchase consideration. Purchase consideration, they have agreed, that is Mahesh has agreed to pay in the form of cash and shares. So cash is how much? Rupees 5 each for shares held in the Suresh Company Limited. That is 1,20,000 shares at rupees 5 each is rupees 6 lakh. Then in shares 1,80,000 shares at rupees 15 each. So total amount in shares the Mahesh company has to pay is 27 lakhs. So purchase consideration is total is 33 lakhs. Now we are going to prepare the ledger accounts in the books of Suresh Company Limited. Firstly, we do transfer all the assets, liabilities and PC to realization account. The realization account has to be prepared. So what we pass the journal entries, that should be incorporated or posted in the realization account. all the assets should be taken on the debit side and liabilities should be taken, and PC should be taken on the credit side. Purchase consideration should be taken on the credit side. The difference between these two balance, debit and credit balance, can be realization loss or realization profit. So let us see what in this problem whether there is a realization loss or realization profit which should be transferred to the equity shareholders account. Okay, so let us take the all the assets realization assets of Suresh Company Limited on the debit side. To goodwill is there, 2 lakh intangible asset, plant and machinery 3 lakh 80, and land and building which is given in the balance sheet we have taken. Then creditors, that is before that 8% debentures, that is 2 lakh given in the balance sheet. Credit side we have taken by creditors 1 lakh 40, because in order to close it has credit balance, in order to close we need to debit. So usually the journal entry is like this: 8% debentures 2 lakh, creditors account debtor 1 lakh 40 to realization account. So hence we have posted in the realization account and taken on the credit side. So by purchase consideration Mahesh Limited, how much is, we have calculated 33 lakhs in the working note. So total of this, okay, the other assets also we need to take. To stock in trade is 4 lakh 36,000, debtors 72,000, Suresh the debtors, cash is 1 lakh 2,000. Uh, Next is to cash expenses. That means expenses for realizing the assets and liabilities is 10,000. That also we have taken on the debit side. And the balance, when you do the total of debit and credit of realization account, we have seen that credit total is greater. That is 3 lakhs 36 lakh 40,000. Debit total is lesser. So hence the balancing figure will be transferred to, that is realization profit is transferred to the equity shareholders account. The realization profit is how much? 15 lakh 40,000, which is transferred to equity shareholders account. Next account we are going to prepare is shareholders account. That is shareholders account. We have taken the realization account on the debit side. In the shareholders account credit side we are going to take, and the shares in Mahesh Limited is 27 lakh. To bank is 6 lakh. Then by share capital 12 lakh, by general reserve 6 lakh, 2 lakh 60,000, P&L account 3 lakh, and by realization 15 lakh 40,000. That is the transfer profit, realization profit we have taken. So the total is 33 lakh. The next is the PC to be paid by Mahesh Company to Suresh Company. The next account is Mahesh Limited account. To realization account, how much PC you have to pay? 33 lakh. By how they are going to pay? By shares 27 lakh, and by bank 6 lakh. So the total is again 33 lakh. So all these are the accounts to be prepared in the books of Suresh Company Limited. That is transfer of company. Now we have to incorporate the journal entries in the books of the Mahesh Company, transferring company. So firstly, the entry is for purchase consideration due to Suresh Company. Business purchase account debtor 33 lakh to liquidator of Suresh Company Limited account 33 lakh. Then next is for incorporating all the assets of Suresh Company Limited. We are going to take plant and machinery 4 lakh, land and building 20 lakh, stock in trade 3 lakh 84,000, debtor 72,000, cash 1 lakh 2,000, goodwill is there 6 lakh 85,000. Then we are also incorporating the liabilities, 8% debentures 2 lakh, two creditors 1 lakh 40, two business, that is PC purchase consideration is 33 lakh, and two provision for doubtful debts they have given 3 lakh, 5% is 3 lakh 3,600. So this is an entry for incorporating the assets and liabilities of Suresh Company Limited at a fair value, and the difference amount is the goodwill, that is transferred to goodwill. So goodwill is how much? 6 lakh 85,000. Next entry to be passed is relating to the purchase consideration scheduled in shares and cash. So that is liquidator to Suresh account debtor 33 lakh to share capital, that is 18 lakh. They are going to give in the form of equity shares, and security premium is 9 lakh, and to bank is 6 lakh. So through bank the cash they are going to give 6 lakh, equity shares with the premium is 9 lakh plus 18 lakh. So that we have incorporated. The next is the last entry to be passed is being issued to 6% debentures of 2,50,000 at 96% in discharge of 8%. So we are discharging 8% debentures at 20% premium. So 8% debentures account debtor 2,40,000, discount on issue of debentures, that is 96%, 4% is a discount, 10,000. The next is 2 6% debentures account, 2,50,000. So these are the interest we passed in the books of transferee company, that is the Mahesh Company Limited. So this is a problem we have solved relating to the ledger accounts in the books of transferor company, and incorporating entries in the books of transferee company, and also the transferring company. Thank you.